Okay, through this maze of wilderness right here are the coke ovens at Coalburg. And this is the end of the wall to the Thomas style coke ovens. So, and they're going to be right up here. We're going to check it out, but this is the long wall. All right. Okay, this is one of the Thomas style coke ovens up here at Coalburg. I think Sloss, Sheffield had about 40 or 50 of these things installed in the early 1900s, maybe about 1910 or so, and they go back about a good 25-30 feet. And I'm not really sure how many are left up here. Looks like we see about 20-25. The rest are just crushed. But this is one of them. And down there they would have had the coke pusher. On the other side of that berm over there would have been Southern Railways. So anyway, this is just one of them. Right here, the coke ovens at Coalburg. So, and I'll go in there in just a second. Okay, inside one of these Thomas style coke ovens, different from the beehive coke ovens. These were supposed to be a lot more efficient and could push out more coke. So, yeah, a lot of the old bricks right here. And these things had, instead of the beehive coke oven, had just one. These had two openings. Oh, right there. If I can put my light up there. All right. Oh, that's tough. All right, man, you can see where a lot of the coke was. Look at the bricks. They were actually melted. It was so hot in here. 2,000 degrees, maybe more, something like that, maybe even hotter. But you can see where it melted the bricks. The clay bricks, I guess I should say. All right, and do a little more video. That's the other side out right there. So that's looking back towards the outside. That's where the coke would have come in from, where the coal would have come in from to charge it and make the coke. So, all right. Okay, one last look here inside one of these Thomas style coke ovens up here at Coalburg. And I stand corrected, there's 3 of these round, if you want to call it, exhaust for the coke coming out. There's 3 of them right there. One right there, 2, and then 3 right there. So Learn something new every day. I can just see how the heat was right here to melt this. So, one of the brick makers right there, gotta get a picture of that. So, alright. On to the next batch of coke ovens, and hopefully some remains of some of the coal drift mines up here. I don't know if we'll have time to get up to where the maybe there's the foundation for the prison. They had 2 prisons up here back during the late 1880s, I guess, on. They had a women's prison and a men's prison up here. And so I doubt there's any foundations left to that, but if we got time, we'll see if we can maybe try to locate it. So, all right.